Fish is coming along nice. You can see that, guys. Nice golden color.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the movement. And to all my new subscribers, salute. Art of love, love and love alone. Welcome aboard, you know what I mean? Now guys, it's actually Easter Sunday, and if you know, we as Jamaican, we don't play when it comes to tradition, guys. We stay true to the culture and we stay true to the tradition. Whether it is Easter, Independence or Christmas, we always got all with the celebration. So today is actually Easter Sunday. And as you know, or if you don't know, when it comes on to Easter holiday, it's all about some Easter bun with cheese or Easter bun with fried fish. So right here I have some nice Easter bun. I have a nice tin of cheese here. Now guys, it's now time to go in the kitchen and I'm going to prep some nice lovely snapper fish. We're just going to fry up some fish. It's all about Easter bun and fish with some cheese for the Easter holiday. So just stay tuned and come along with me. And again, to all my subscribers, happy Easter, enjoy the holiday. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So right here, guys, I have some nice fish, some nice snapper fish. I might have to even cut them in two, and I'm frying them. Nice. And guys, as you know, when it comes on to Easter time, fish is always scarce and hard to get, but you know what I mean, I was lucky enough to get some nice ones. So I will now go ahead, guys, and start the preparation of my fish. First and foremost, guys, I will use vinegar to wash my fish. You want to get rid of the rawness as much as possible. I have some nice lovely fish, nice size, as you can see. And right here, guys, if you're gonna go fry fish, you can't go without the spices. So right here I have some fish seasoning, I have some all-purpose seasoning, I have some black pepper, and I have some pimento grain. So guys, as for the pimento grain, what I'm gonna do, right, I'm gonna crush the pimento grain. Also here I got some seafood seasoning. So I'm going to mix everything together, guys, and just make a nice flavor, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to season up the fish, and then we're just going to fry up some fish for the Easter. So some fish seasoning. As for me, guys, I always make sure the belly of my fish is well seasoned. You know what I mean? You want to get the seasoning in the belly of the fish. I'm using some fish seasoning right now. After the fish season, I'm gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna turn them over. And guys, as you can see, guys, I slice the fish, I slice them so the seasoning could soak in the right way. So as I season, I turn them. And you want to make sure you spice them well, soak and well. You know what I mean? So all-purpose seasoning. And tell you guys, better yet, I'm going to put them in a container so I could rub them up. Get them in a container. Yes, and now I have them in the container, guys. I could just sprinkle the seasoning, and then after I rub up everything together. This is the fish seasoning right here. And I said before, guys, right here now I have some black pepper. Some black pepper for you guys. So I will now go ahead and add some black pepper. Sprinkle your black pepper all over. Fried fish, you have to have black pepper on it. After, guys, I'm going to crush the pimento grains, and I'm going to use the pimento grain to rub them up, guys. I just love the flavors of the pimento. I don't cook without my pimento seeds, guys. As you can see, guys, I have my seeds sprinkled and stuff. It's now time to start the frying of the fish. So I will go ahead and pour some oil. So guys, after you add the oil, I'll go ahead and add a piece of garlic and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. So freestyle, now it's time to start the frying of the fish. We'll now go ahead and put the fish in the pot. You want the oil to be extremely hot when you fry the fish. So the fish don't mash out in the pot. You have it. As you can see for yourself, guys, the fish are coming along nice and beautiful. As you can see, guys, smells really good. Yeah, freestyle. So while the fish is being fried, I will go ahead and start the preparation for my sauce. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna cut my onion in rings as thin as possible. Cut them in rings as thin as possible, guys. Just do it like this because you want to get them really thin. So I think it's best to hold it in your hand so you can get them as thin as possible. See, doing them in rings. There you have it, guys. Then after, I'll be using some scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper in the ring as well. Cut your scotch bonnet in rings. And remember, guys, while you're doing this, try not to touch your face. Scotch bonnet pepper is no joke. And guys, as for the pepper, I'm using 3 different colors. I'm using red, orange, and green. Put them in small rings, like so. I've just gone ahead freestyle and turn the fish. And you can see, guys, they're looking nice and lovely, guys. So guys, make sure the oil is well hot before you put your fish in. Nice and lovely, guys. Stay tuned, soon come. Yes, guys, so as you can see, the fish is coming along nice. You can see that, guys. Nice golden color. I'm just gonna allow them to fry for like about 2 more minutes, guys, and I will take out this bag. Stay tuned, guys. Please start cooking. Fry fish. So guys, it's now time for the sauce. As you can see, so guys, I have a small amount of water in the pot. I will go ahead and add half glass of vinegar in the water. So I had the vinegar there, guys. After I had the vinegar, I'm just going to add a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Get to boil in the water. So guys, here you have it. It's now time to go ahead and make the sauce for the fried fish. So right here I have onion, I got scotch bonnet pepper, I have carrots, I have sweet pepper, I have carrots, right? So what I'll be doing now, guys, I'll go ahead and start the process, so just stay tuned. So as for the sauce, I will go ahead and add half a teaspoon of salt. After I add the salt, I will go ahead and add half a teaspoon of sugar. Then I'll go ahead and add a small amount of black pepper, guys. Add the black pepper, then you mix. And I'm gonna allow it to boil. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, freestyle. So the next process for the sauce, right? You wanna get your pot hot, and then I'm gonna grease the pot. Grease the pot. As you can see, guys, the fish are coming along nice and beautiful. After greasing the pot, guys, I will go ahead and add my veggies, my natural seasoning, and I'm gonna let them pre-cook for like about 2 minutes. And the reason for this, guys, you don't have to, but if you want to get the most of it, if you want to get the flavor, the right flavor from the onion and the Scotch bonnet pepper and stuff like that, guys, you gotta have it cook for like about 2 minutes. Guys, the pepper is killing me, and the heat in the kitchen is killing me. Sorry about that, guys. It's over here. So I'm gonna have them pre-cooked, guys, so stay tuned. As you can see, guys, oh, the pepper. Yeah, guys, as you can see, guys, the pre-cook is now complete. So now I will go ahead and add the water with the vinegar and the sugar on it. I'm going to stir it, guys. So the water is still hot, guys. So while it's here, it's still cooking. Damn. Sorry, freestyle. The pepper is killing me. Trust me. Yes, freestyle. So here you have it. I just want to say Happy Easter from my home to your home. So as you can see, guys, the fish are now completely fried. I mean, looking nice and lovely, guys. The fish is fried, and over here is the sauce to go with the fish, and over here is my cheese, and over here is the bun and cheese, guys. And right here you have a nice fish, well prepped, because I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. As you can see, guys, looking nice and lovely, guys. Doesn't get any better than this freestyle. Nice and lovely, guys. Nice fried fish. Wow. It's all about the Easter celebration, guys. As I said before, you guys, I mean, like, it's a tradition, you know what I mean, and it's something that we live up to. Easter time, Christmas time, you know what I mean, we stay true to the tradition no matter where we are in the world. So guys, as always, I'm hungry. I'm about to have a feast now, guys. So until next time, guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, guys, feel free to come over and hit the subscription button and join the movement. Until next time, guys, happy Easter, and catch you in the next one, freestyle way. Thanks for watching, guys.